My baby, my Valentine. Yeah, now you do make you my temperature dey rise. If you leave me a good time, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Love it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop you